Morning guys, just working at Clitheroe. I just want to show you what we found on this property whilst removing the EPS bead insulation because the customer's getting horrific damp. But this is the sort of quality of work. It's very similar to the last video I pointed where they'd sealed up the subfloor vents. Excuse me. On this property they haven't sealed the subfloor vents, they haven't changed them at all. If sealing them wasn't bad enough, they just haven't done anything with these. They've just totally left the subfloor vents in. So you can see here we've took a subfloor vent out. You can see it's going under the floors there to vent the wooden floors. So here's one of the vents. Obviously we've already cut round it, it's just to show you. We'll take this out. Absolutely full of bead. So how does the wooden floors breathe when they're all blocked like this? Simply, they don't breathe. This is how you get condensation issues, dry rot with your floors. If your floors are spongy in areas near the corners, this is what it could be. Take you around the full property, it's all the same. Not changed, just left them, filled them full of insulation. Again, not changed, full of insulation. We've taken this one out again to show you. That's the original vent. The subfloor vents, full of bead. How does the wooden floors breathe? It's almost like criminal damage. And if Sega came out to this property, they'd probably say it wasn't their fault. It's nothing to do with them. But the vents haven't been changed as they should be. Again, front of the property, vents, nothing changed. They may be cavity vents and not subfloor vents. We'll know when we take one out. We're going to be taking that one out shortly. Obviously the gear's there to take it out. So yeah, just another job, another bodge cavity wall insulation job. So yeah, cheers for watching guys, thank you, bye bye.